Nothing is impossible for Allah. We believe that Allah creates from nothing. He doesn't need a thing to create. When He created man from dust or sand or soil, He did not need to use that to make man. He didn't need it. He could have created us from anything else or from absolutely nothing. إنما أمره إذا أراد شيئا أن يقول له كن فيكون فسبحان الذي بيده الله أكبر فسبحان الذي بيده ملكوت كل شيء وإليه ترجعون. Indeed, the instruction, the command of Allah when He wants to create something is be, and it is. So glory be unto Allah, who is the owner of absolutely everything, and everyone and everything is going to return to Allah. That is your Lord, mine. People say that we don't believe in a maker, astaghfirullah. We don't believe that there is a deity, a supreme deity. We are here coincidentally. One simple evidence to prove that that is wrong in our eyes is that from the beginning of our species, Adam alayhi salam, right to the end of the species, every single one of us has many things that are uniquely his or hers, never ever repeated in the past, not repeated in the present, and will never be repeated right up to the end of time. For example, your thumbprint. Every finger of yours is uniquely yours. No one has had your fingerprint from the beginning to the end. No one shall have it. Another thing, your iris print, uniquely yours alone. They can identify you without a blunder, never a mistake in it, not one. There is no chance. If we were here coincidentally, surely coincidentally there would have been 2 or 3 people with the same iris print, right? Surely there would have been a few more coincidences that have occurred. My brothers and sisters, let's not be fooled. We believe in Allah. We believe there is a maker. We believe that He alone deserves to be worshipped, because we know on the day of Qiyamah and judgment we will be standing with our accounts in front of the Almighty, and there can never ever be a fraction of a doubt in the identity of who is this. Not at all.